We just saw our first giant Australia spider. We're on the bus. We're headed to Cairns to go to the Botanical Gardens. Shame's over here hiding. And then we're gonna get lunch and come back and go to the store and get more food because the food we bought a couple days ago is gone now. We just saw our first giant Australia spider. It was pretty big. And then I got bit by a bug. So that's how today's going. Wow, I look super red. It's really hot here. It smells super bad?
Pretty bad, not terrible.
Seamus found this food place online called Apex Milk Bar, and they have like really good fried chicken.
That was good. Burgers.
Big, good burgers, and then they also do milkshakes. So we got a cookies and cream milkshake and some fried chicken. You like it?
Yeah, delicious. Little tiki man.
Little tiki man.
You're strangers today. I want to make you all work together as one, and in our country too, especially. Yarada, obogo dungai, dara bada yura, dungai gora yura, obogo dungai, dara gora yura, dungai gora, yarada, obogo dara gora. You'll find this up the beach everywhere when you go and swimming or when you're going to go, you know. And this is the quickest way to suntan yourself if you want to do that. I'm being honest. I'm not telling you lies. I gave it to him. We have to tell him to paint himself up with red and charcoal. And then a couple of weeks later, he was like me. Okay, you don't have to believe me, guys. I'm just giving you my truth here. Okay? And so, we painted it up. I'm going to put some dots on your net. This is what we did. We initiated him with paint. Put a dot. Dot represents raindrops to us. Okay? Other indigenous has different type of way of painting. So you can have take photos, folks, if you want to take pictures. I'm everywhere. Don't worry about it.
It's true. He's on buses and billboards. You know.
So a bit of white clay. We can actually eat this one, folks. This white clay. We put him in a little round ball. We'll eat him up.
Oh yeah, you can do me.
I put this. Mark the dingo. Boys, come on. Joe.
Mark of the dingo.
Mark of the dingo.
Here you go, Ben.
And then shit.
Oh, sorry, mate. See you there. Stripes me warriors, eh?
Natural paint. Holy crap, that was a giant spider. Biggest spider we've seen so far. I forgot what kind of spider he said it was. So we're at Mossman Gorge I just recorded a smoke ceremony, which they do as like a welcoming ceremony to the country. And then I got my face painted with some natural paint. And they, now we're gonna go to the gorge and go for a swim and stuff. How is it? I'm scared. He swam in like a freezing cold lake like 2 weeks ago, so the water's freezing. So cold. I'm just gonna do it though. So cold. I'm just gonna do it.
Oh, sorry. Come on.
Are you smiling? You have to smile. We're on a river cruise.
River cruising it.
White-lipped green tree frog. There's not green at the moment, it's been trying to blend into the back of the tractor. Welcome to come have a look or a photo.
I feel like we saw one crocodile, a tiny little baby one. Seamus got some good photos of it, so I'll post those at the end of the vlog.